guys, today we finally finished Sonic the Hedgehog game, and we need to go to the pretty club. Hey guys,
Jen,
Ma.
Jen. Oh, wow.
Mabilis
What a nice English name.
Mabilis
What's
ang
your
pagtahan.
name? But can you say it in a
pili ka bitaw.
My name is Jen.
Okay.
Okay, i-phrasing mo daan, i-writing mo daan, i-taluan mo daan, ay ating correctionan ng yes and Jen,
Now,
dapat
we're outside.
which is my name.
And there's my cutie boy. Oopsies. Hey guys. It's so fall.
Dapat makabuild ka connection ninyo kay student. Kay para gaan yung mga klase, and then gaan po si student mo interact sa inyo.
There's the toy.
Sa inyong klase. So always is your class.
Wait guys, it literally broke. It literally broke. Oh wait, we could literally fix it. Yup. So now we're finished. We need to start the engine.
My name is teacher,
Where are you moving? I got it. We need to start it. There it goes. We need to back editing. Okay.
Oh, this picture.
Where's that chain? Where is that chain? Oopsies.
Another question na small talk is, pwede kang inuga, did you go to school today? Okay, remember, yung question dapat na ay corresponding na complete sentence na tunog. Did you go to school today? Dapat yung answer ay yes, I did. Yes, I did.
So it's okay. It's okay.
Question is incorrect na answer of yes, I did. And you say yes, I did. Okay, great. Chinese subject. introduce na rin mo ang lesson na maximum 5 minutes. Kaya yung 5 minutes, okay. Kaya memorize mo na nila ang demo. Ang demo plus flow. Memorize mo na nila. Kaya consuming tayo kasi kita sa book. Students, so maximum na 5 minutes. Taas na 5 minutes. Basta mapalo ang flow. So, ayaw ko yung
Okay. So we are the passengers. Guys, we are the passengers. So we are the passengers, guys. So we should go to the passengers. There is. And this is just tilt.